Good morning, everyone. At the very outset, first let me thank EDU TV for providing us this platform to connect. And it's a pleasure hearing you out today, ma'am. I'm Dr. Sheila. I'm working as head of the Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department at Alliance University, Bangalore. And I have been here for a long time now. To begin with, as we all are aware about the prevailing COVID-19 pandemic situation, and we know that it has been extremely challenging and it has disrupted numerous sectors. The economy has been disrupted, and the government are facing a Herculean task to bring things back to, space. One sector which has been deeply hit by the pandemic is definitely the education sector. And we all were quick enough, to move from the physical or traditional classroom mode of teaching to the online platform. And that was one way in which we can maintain the continuity in the teaching learning process. Had it been not, then it would have been a huge disruption for the students, for their academics. So my question to you is, how difficult or how challenging was it for you at your school to difficult it was for your school to transit from the classroom mode of teaching to the online platform?
Being in this part of the world, to be honest, we didn't have much challenges because we were already using a lot of Teams, and we were using Google Documents, and we were sharing resources with children through our own platforms, virtual learning platforms that we have. So a lot of IT integrated learning was already happening in this part of the world. Okay, but it was a challenge to go full scale into 100% online learning was a challenge. Okay, but however, the teachers adapted very fast, and what we found that it was the teachers who actually discovered various other resources like Nearpod, Flipgrid. They were already using resources like Kahoot and Socrative and all the other resources, but they integrated it so well that even in KG classes, they're so adept in using like Nearpod or Flipgrid, and children know when to when the transition from the Teams platform to Flipgrid or to a Nearpod, they very easily know. They know what codes mean. How do I use a code for for a Mentimeter or for Padlet Wall? So these things have become so common, and the children are very, very easily, they have adapted to the learning process. My biggest challenge as a leader and as a teacher would be the assessments.
Alliance University, India's top-ranked university. Over 20,000 alumni in 50 countries. Study abroad options in 55 universities. And placements in over 353 companies. Alliance University, Bengaluru.